Hey! NeetoCal allows you to set your availability up front and makes your scheduling process hassle-free. So let's see how to set your availability in NeetoCal. Click the Availability tab on the sidebar. Here you can see the different availability schedules that you have. Currently, I have only one availability, working hours. To add a new availability, click on the Add New Availability button, and let's name our availability Personal, and click on Save Changes. Now, as you can see, a new availability schedule has been created. By default, the availability will be set to weekdays 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can enable and disable certain days of the week. Let's say you work on Saturdays as well, so you can simply enable Saturday here. You can also customize the time slots of any individual day. For example, you want the slots to be 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. instead of 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can easily change that by changing the time slot. Now, rather than changing it on every other day, you can click the Copy button and apply it on the days for which you want to copy the schedule. Let's copy it for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and hit Submit. As you can see, the availability has been copied for all those days, and that's done it in a much quicker way. But that's not all. Consider a situation where you have a lunch break from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. You can add a break by setting up your availability from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., and then add a new time slot starting from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. You can add as many of these breaks as you want by adding new time slots, and you can also delete them. You can copy these slots for the other days as well. If you don't work on certain days, let's say Thursday, you can just disable it, so that people cannot book you on Thursday. Furthermore, you can add availability overrides. This will let you choose specific days on your calendar where you can temporarily override your original availability without messing up your regular availability. To know more about how to use availability overrides, just hover the Help icon and click the Help article to learn more. Your availability might change when you're in another country. In such cases, you can change the time zone of this availability here. Select the preferred time zone here and save the changes to apply it. Once the availability is configured, make sure to save the changes before applying it to a meeting link. To apply this availability, let's select the desired meeting link and navigate to the Host tab. Here we can see the list of availabilities. Let's select the newly created availability Personal, and we can save it. Now, the time slots displayed for this meeting link will be based on the personal availability. And that's everything about setting up your availability in NeetoCal. Hope this helps.